Okay, guys, I went shopping again with Temu and I'm going to show you everything I got. So, the very first thing I've been wanting to get that Temu had for just $3.99 is the one piece food cover microwave oven or heating cover. Now, this right here is something I've been longing for. You know how when you're cooking in the microwave, I have a lot of stews and they just fly all over the microwave, and microwave gets dirty. And this prevents food from just flying all over the microwave. It even has a vent and also a handle. I think it's pretty neat. And for $3.99, I think it's a steal. Guys, I'm gonna leave the link to all of these products in the comment section and also in the description box so you can get yours. And there are discounts. Do not forget to use the discount codes. So this is me just putting the handle on the microwave cover, food cover or microwave oven or heating cover screen protector. So you can see how pretty that is. You see that with the cover, with the handle and the vent, and it's beautiful. It's really nice, and I love that I have this because it's something I've been wanting to get. Another thing I got, the micro steam iron handheld steamer, and it's also a 3-in-1 mini steam iron, mini travel iron. It is for $11.86. $11.86. Can you beat that? Now the reason why we got this is spring, it's almost summer, it's time to travel and see our families and friends. Guys, we've stayed in a hotel before that the iron wasn't working, and when we called for an iron, it was taking forever. We had to go places. It just was ridiculous. So the next time we travel anywhere, we're gonna have our own iron and steamer with us. This iron steamer came with a manual, so you can read it and just know what's going on. You know how to work the handheld steamer or iron. It also, it was fully assembled. There was nothing to assemble. It was already fully assembled. It does have the wires on it. Very easy to use, easy to install. Absolutely amazing. Just for when you travel, you might see how you see what I'm saying. See how petite it is, but it is beautiful. I love it. Now, just for when you're traveling, and also you can see that that right there is a top for the bottom, just so when you're traveling it's protected and there's no problem. With the I was putting it on a bit. So it's beautiful. I love it. I love the color. It's just absolutely amazing. I love it. So check that out for $11.86. $11.86. It is a steal. It is a steal. Okay, then I got me the one set 3-in-1 multifunctional hand push sweeper, a vacuum cleaner, and a hand push cleaner or broom. Now, this machine right here is a lifesaver, and a time saver, because I've been wanting something like this. I have a daycare, an in-home daycare, and I am always cleaning. We're always cleaning generally. Me and my husband always cleaning. We even have cleaners coming also to clean the living area. But I wanted this because it just makes life easier. It is a vacuum kind. It's a vacuum cleaner. It's a hand push broom. Very convenient. And the handle, it has a handle that's really nice and long. It has bristles that'll clean the floor when you're cleaning. It also has like a mop pad at the bottom that helps clean the floor. This is me just trying to see how it does on the carpet. It is not for carpets, guys. It is for hardwood floors, or maybe cemented floors. So I've used this outdoors and I've also used it indoors. Perfectly amazing. That's my husband just working it. It picked up every little thing on the floor. So we love it. We're loving our pretty amazing broom so far. Broom cleaner and vacuum. So it is pretty awesome. So let me give you a rundown of everything I got. Okay, for the one piece food cover microwave oven heating cover, I spent $3.99. Then I got the one set 3-in-1 multifunctional hand push sweeper or vacuum cleaner or hand push broom for $13.99. Then we got the micro steam iron handheld steamer 3-in-1 mini steam iron for $11.86, all adding up to $29.84. $29.84. Can you beat that? All of this good stuff. I'm gonna link everything in the description and in the comment section. Go get yours now and don't forget to use the coupon codes.